This is a review of M1 video doorbell camera. This is from INFIYA. It is 2K video, indoor chime, night vision, person detection and alert, quick replies, battery and wired. Quick start guide, guidance sticker, 24 hours surveillance. Here is the chime. USB-A to micro USB and screw pack, batteries, and here is the doorbell. It has a good quality screwdriver. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in it. Now we can go ahead and test it. Let's go ahead and turn this on. It has also 3M two-sided tape. And here is the area for turning on and reset button. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And this area is for the charging purposes. This area is for anti-theft. See? And now we can go ahead and pair it. Now it's paired. We can change the music and change the volume here. I like this one. Let's go ahead and add the camera.
Wi-Fi is connected.
We put the password and scan the QR code. Right now it is getting ready.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
We can go ahead and name it. You can put TGIF and OK. Next. Wi-Fi signal is good. Now you can see the quality. It is very responsive. And it is also widescreen. Okay. Let's see. All right, there is an alert. It says there was someone, and this is 2K. We can change it to SD. Right now, SD quality. Let's change it to 2K. Now the quality is good, and there is two-way audio talk. Hello. And also you can listen to the sound. You can record a video and take a picture. You can change the tone. Hello? Hello? All right, this is my original tone. These are some of the settings. Invite family and friends, advanced light and night vision, and motion detection, motion alert, tamper-proof alert. If someone is trying to steal it, it's going to let you know. There's cloud storage and device management. Let me go ahead and put it outside and try to test it. I put it over here as a testing purpose. When you check it out, the quality is awesome. And it is wide. All right, let me go ahead and ring the doorbell. This is what you're gonna see. And you can answer it. Hello? You see? Or you can hang up. And let me go ahead and show you the night vision. Let's see the night vision. Now it's night vision. Let me go ahead and move around. You see, you can see me clearly at night. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it has a good design and it has two-way audio talk and 2K quality. It is giving you wireless and wired option, and it has a chime. And there is also motion detection settings. That's a good one. Look at this quality. Let's make it full screen. And now you can see every detail.